Fresh economic data from China shows the world's second largest economy has the slowest growth rate in around 25 years. What will the news do for gold? Joining us on Kitco's Gold Report today is Frank Holmes of U.S. Global Investors. Frank, good to see you again.
Good to be here.
So growth in China came in at the lowest level in 25 years. 6.9% is the lowest number since 1990, but it's still a stronger number than expected. The question is, do you believe the number, and why isn't it doing more for gold here?
Well, I do believe the number, and I think the fact for gold is the issue of the strong dollar on a relative basis in a global slow economy. So I think that gold is doing well. See, some of these other countries' currencies are really taking it on the chin.
All right. Well, the IMF also on Tuesday cut its global economic growth forecast numbers, citing slowing growth in China. The IMF pegged 2016 world economic growth at 3.4%. That's down 0.2%. Could this be critical for gold, Frank?
I don't think it's so much as critical. It will impact that love trade, what I quite often talk about. It will slow down if you get GDP per capita slowing down, and the consumption for love will just slow down. But I don't think that that's really a key factor.
All right. Well, in a down week for most markets, silver seemed to have fared the best, falling only 0.11%. Now, you say that silver really didn't fully participate in the precious metal rally last week, and perhaps it had less to lose, you mentioned?
No, I just think that sales remain strong, physical sales, and buyers in the U.S., retail customers continue to be strong buyers of silver and gold, and silver is less expensive, so they get to buy more.
All right, Frank, on that note, what's your touchdown pass going to be? What are you eyeing for the metals here?
CPI is going to come out tomorrow, and I think it's important to look at ex-oil and ex-food. It's estimated to be 2.1%, which is higher than a 5-year government bond in the U.S. So that bodes well for gold holding itself as a monetary asset. But the big number will be U.S. PMI coming out Friday.
All right, Frank, thanks so much for your thoughts. We'll see you next week. And thanks for watching this edition of Kitco's Gold Report. We have Bill Baruch of II Trader up next.